My God. I just saw that.
Exciting.
I walked right in and saw that. The Lincoln Legend. The convertible top guru. Ooh. We're doing a little... You're using the clicker.
Yes, we are.
Sorry, I get a little excited. The legend himself.
Someone's making noise up here.
I love how it has the clicker.
Oh, you have to have the auto or the the remote. The remote really helps.
Yeah, Peter did a demonstration with his car, and I was just like, oh yeah, they all need that.
They do. Well, for a very practical reason, and that is, when you put that top down, it's really a good idea to be standing here and holding onto this when you're doing the top, because sometimes these trunks have a tendency to move forward, and then you can catch the top, which you don't really want to do.
No, that doesn't sound fun. Ooh, that one's moving now. Oh, it's like after a couple drinks.
This guy trying to move.
Here's something moving over here.
It's not here.
I can feel it here.
Yeah, but I wonder if it's bubbles in here. That's what I'm.
Oh, probably because we got to burp everything, huh?
Yeah. There we go.
Ooh. Wow. Man, I walked in at the right time.
You did. You can actually help me with something right now.
Ooh. Okay. I am all for learning from the maestro.
We're latched. We need to lift the top.
Okay, let me move our keys. Ready?
That way.
Okay.
Let's put it down. Gotta feel more fluid in there.
More fluid. This is the filling and bleeding operation, yes?
That's right.
Very nice. Yeah, so the deck was just coming forward, and we're at a point where we're not supposed to be doing that.
No, it's in the process of filling the system. This sometimes happens. So that's.
Ooh, I hear.
You hear air coming out of the
Yep.
pistons that we're pushing against. You hear that?
There we go.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
See that what happens?
Uh-oh.
See,
We
get
got
a
a...
little bit of pressure in there, and I didn't have the valve open, and it
And it was
should
pressurizing.
be pushing itself back.
Wowee. Bleed the system. I love it. Boing. open.
See how see the air moving?
Oh, yeah. This is crazy. Wow. I've never seen this on this car before because it's always been broken.
It's always been broken.
But we have...
The broken T-Bird.
But the legend has fixed it.
Yes, the legend has fixed it.
What else is new?
Don't jinx me.
Shh. You're the guy for this.
I am the guy for this.
Yeah, baby, look at that. Grab this bag. Whoop. Wow. Wow.
Everybody gets so excited about this.
This is awesome.
I first got excited about this when I was 3 years old.
And now it's your job.
Done.
Done.
As I live and breathe.
Good.
All the way down.
You hear the click?
Yep.
That means it's locked.
And it's locked.
And it's locked.
And now
Do we need to do a tutorial for the owner on this convertible top?
yeah, let's do one. Let's do a video tutorial.
Video tutorial. All right.
Should we do one? We'll make its own file.
Let's let it rest for a minute.
Perfect. I will cut